All right, now you're recording your progress right now. We're gonna go over this homework, okay, very quickly, okay? All right, okay. So we have a diagram, okay, A, B are parallel. I'm gonna use the red color is better. Angle 1 is 65. This angle 1, this angle 7, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. You can slide down. Okay, you can slide, eject the same thing. This one eject the same shape. So this angle should be 65. Using this one, you can decide all other angles, right? This angle 2 is a supplementary angle. So 180 minus 65 is how much? 125? No, 115, right? 115 minus 180 minus 65 is 115. So this is 115 opposite side, vertical angle. This opposite side, you can do same thing, eject the same thing, copy over here. Copy. Because but this one eject the same. Okay. All right. What is the alternate interior angle? It should be what inside the parallel line is we said alternate interior angle. Okay, outside exterior angle. I'm going to show you exterior angle. Okay, now I'm going to cut in. Where is the interior angle? There are the four interior angles.
루이스 네스 타임인데요.
This one,
예.
this one, this one, this one is what?
예.
Interior angle. But this 3 and 7 is
그래요?
what? Alternate interior angle. This 4 and 6 is alternate
네네. 지금
interior angle.
레코딩 하고 있네요. 그거 보내주라 그럴게요. 네네네. 네네.
Okay. This is what alternate interior angles. So 3 and 7 alternate interior angles, and the 4 and 6 is another alternate interior angles. Why this is important? Because the alternate interior angles, they are equal. So you can say measure of angle 3 equals measure of angle 7, measure of angle 4 equals measure of angle 6. Can you see that? Looks like equal, right? Now, same side exterior angles. I'm sorry, interior angle. Same side, 4 and 7 is same side, 4 and 7. And the angle 3 and 6 is the same side. Why this is important? Do they have any assumption prompt they are equal? No, they are not equal. 4 and 7, they are not equal. Another important meaning, if this is the angle A, this is the angle B, you know that angle A plus angle B is 180, right? Everyone understand? This angle B is over here. This angle is what corresponds to angle over here. What can you say? Angle A plus angle B in the same side. Can you see that? Angle A plus angle B is 180. Angle A plus angle B, same angle still, 180, right? Are you guys with me? But in this case, it's angle 4 plus measure of angle 7 equals already 180. That's why this is important too. Measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 6 also equals to 180. Are you guys with me? I'm going to use this is just 60. This is a 120. This is a 60. This is a 120. Going down over, this is 60. This is a 120. This is 60. This is a 120. I just used some number. What is the sum of these numbers? 180. Can you see that? Sum of right the angles in the same side, already 180. This one, 60 plus 120, also 180. That's why same side interior angle is important too. Now alternate in exterior. We have alternated outside. Outside angle is alternate. This is all exterior angle. Inside the four interior angles, outside also four exterior angles. Alternate, these two angles are alternate. 2 and 8 is alternate. And the 1 and 5 is alternate. But these two angles, all these angles outside the parallel line. This is also important too. Okay, same exterior, same side. This is the same side, right? To the right, for this one, to the right is the same side. To the left is the same side. Angle 1, angle 8. I'm going to use just 1 8, okay? Angle 1, angle 8, same side exterior angles. Angle 2 and angle 5 is also same side, right? But they are all outside or parallel lines. We said what? Exterior angle, same side. But this is also important too. Alternate is what? Angle 2, angle 8, they are already equal, right? Exterior 120, 120. This is also what? Measure of angle 2 equals measure of angle 8. Measure of angle 1 equals measure of angle 5. In the same side, same as before. Measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 8 equals 180 degrees. And measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 5 also 180 degrees. Can you see that? 60 plus the other is what? 120, also 180. That's why alternate angles, same side angles, they are both are important. Okay. Any questions about this?
No.
Okay, thank you. All right. Just try to memorize. Okay, just try to memorize step by step. Okay. You don't have to write up, write everything. Just a step by step. Okay. Try to get all these topics. Okay. Everybody, some people, they need time to understand. I understand. Because what? This is real. When I teach some students, they're very slow. But don't worry. Very slow, looks like slow, but a little progress. It's not visible, but getting visible over here, okay? Getting visible. No, a lot. But some point over here. This point is we said what turning point. If you got this point, they're gonna move this way. Not this way anymore. They're gonna move this way. But don't be disappointed. Don't be pressed. Just try to do your best way up to arrive at this point. This is what change your knowledge, change your mind, everything. Maybe change your what? Your future too. Okay, this point is very important. After this, everything is very comfortable. You don't need any press. You don't need any press. Nobody interrupt you. Okay, very progress, very fast. That we said sometimes beyond. Nobody can catch you. Okay, but sometimes someone will get past the road over here, past. But someone over here. What's the difference? A little difference over here, but it's nothing. Okay, just to try to learn over here. Maybe someday you're gonna arrive on this point. That's real. You know the golf. Anybody how to play the golf? No. Maybe Tiger Woods. Everyone know this one. Okay. Every day he practices a lot, very slow, and when he's young. At some point, now he got to watch some things. He figured out, okay, how to play, right? So this is why the barrier progress this much. So from this is a turning point to become a professional, pro. From here, amateur. You guys may be up to here, maybe amateur, but it doesn't matter. Someday you're gonna be pro. Okay? But even though right, you don't understand some topics, so maybe you might have some difficulty right, to understand it. But don't be pressed. You're still young, okay? Just I want you try do your best. Okay, until to get what's turning point over here. Amateur, pro, totally different. All right, number 6. We have a parallel line. This is 117. Peel out the other angle. This one here is the same shape. This also is 117 because they are corresponding angles. The other how much? 180 minus 117 is what? 180 minus 117 equals 63, okay? This is 63, opposite 63, opposite 117. So easy, right? Using vertical angles, you can peel out every other angle. This angle 1 expressed in algebraic form 4x minus 3. This angle is equal, right? Not this one. Okay, this angle is equal. They are what? Corresponding angles. 180 minus 135. This is 45. So 45 plus, no, 45 equals 4x minus 3. 4x equals plus 3 plus is 48. The value of x is 12. You can solve this way too. I just use what corresponding angles. These two angles is your corresponding angles, right? Same orientation, same direction. They're gonna open, they're gonna see something in the same direction. That means that they have the same orientation. Maybe another one we learned already. Maybe you can use the exterior angle, same side. Can you see that? Same side, exterior angle is what? Already 180. This angle, same side, but exterior angle, sum of this is 180. You can use this one too. 135 plus 4x minus 3 equals 180. You can use this one too. It doesn't matter. 135 minus 3 is what? 132 plus 4x equals 180. Minus 132 minus 132. Just 4x is what? 180 minus 132 is what? 48. Everybody got this number? Same thing, right? When you divide by 4, still x is 12. It gives us what? Same numbers. Okay? All right. Number 8 over here, angle ABE. This angle is 126. What about the other side angle? Supplementary. 180 minus, I'm going to write the 180 minus 126. This is 4. This is 754. Another one, they are perpendicular. This angle RS. Perpendicular to each other. This side perpendicular with this angle is 90 degree, right? Or the other side 90. Still they are vertical angles, 90, 90. This is 54, this is 90. What is this one? This is the right triangle. This is 90, then some of these two angles are also 90, right? So 90 plus 90 is what? 180 degree. So we have a two acute angle, okay, except the right angle. 90 minus 54 equals 36. This angle is 36. Now we can figure out the average angles. These two angles, this angle, this angle, is what is that? Alternate interior angle must be equal. This angle, another alternate interior angle must be 54 equals. What about the other side? Vertical angles, 54. This side, vertical angles, 36. This is a vertical 90, that is 90. We pull out everything. Except the one down over here, right? What is the measure of angle DEB? Where is D? DEB, this angle. Sum of this angle, 36 plus 54 is how much? 90. Can you see that 90? Sum of this one, also this straight, this angle is 90. The other angle should be 90. We know that, right? You don't have to write your calculate. 36 plus 54, that is 90. But the other side supplementary angle is 90. This is also 90. What is the measure of angle DEC? Where is the DEC? This angle. 90 plus 54, isn't it? It's okay. 90 plus 54 is 144. What is the measure of angle BCA? BCE, where is BCE? BCE, we already got 36. Any questions about this? Elania, are you with me? Hello.
What? Yeah.
Elania, are you with me? It's okay?
Yeah.
All right, very good. What about Victoria?
Yeah.
All right, very good. And what about Zachary?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Okay, what about Brianna?
Good.
Good? Okay. Are you guys all good? Okay. I'm very happy. Okay. Number 9. We have two parallel lines. Same as before. Two angles have algebraic expression. Oh, we have two angles in terms of right x. Okay, they express y in x. That's algebraic expressions to express their angle. What type of angle pair are these two? What type of angle? Maybe it looks like obtuse. Okay, check it out. What is these two? Alternate exterior angle, right? They must be equal, okay? Alternate exterior angle. 9x minus 56 equals 6x plus 7. Or you can move this one up here, down up here. It's the same angle. Also, this is 9x minus 56. Their vertical angles are also equal, right? You can do this way. All right. Minus 6x minus 6x. 3x plus 56 plus 56. How much? 56 plus 7 is 63, right? When you divide by 3, x equals 21. Now put this number into the equations. 6 times 21 plus 7. So that is 6 times 21 is 126 plus 7 is 143 degrees, okay? You can say obtuse, but actually what type of angle pair they asking what? Alternate? Exterior angle, right? Yeah, these two angles is alternate exterior angle. They're going to ask you this one. This is actually correct answer, okay? But this is okay too. Maybe someone misunderstand, oh, what type of this angles? Obtuse, that's fine too. Okay? But that's in your what the relationship between these two angles, alternate interior angle. Okay, now we just find what the value of x. X equals 21 is the answer. Any questions? Yes? No? Are you guys okay? All right, now we're gonna do, I'm gonna finish with the work geometry today, okay? Next time we're gonna start new topics. We're gonna start new topics. Going down all the way. We did up to okay, we're gonna have some practice over here. Oh, we did this already. We did already. Almost done. Up here. Okay, do exterior angle pairs. Okay, forget about this, okay? Yeah, they have, right, the same pattern, right? Okay, exterior angle, alternate exterior. I'm gonna write down a little bit of theorem. We did already alternate exterior angle. Add up to equal, right? Oh, no. Alternate exterior angle are equal in measure. Just equal is okay. Or alternate interior angle. Same thing. Are equal. Always is same thing. Okay. All right, the next one is we have the same side. This is not alternate, same side. I told you some of the angles in the same side already 180. You can use that. This is the same side angle. Some of these two angles is 180. 12x minus 38 plus 4x minus 6 should be equals to 180. 12x, 4x is what? 16x. Negative 38 minus 6 is negative 44. That is equal to 180 plus 44 and plus 44. Now we got 16x equals to 180 plus 44. How much is that? 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 up over here, 224, right? What's the next? Divide by 16, or you can use a calculator. It's a pre-algebra, okay? 16, 64. How many 16s are there? 64, 4. X equals 14. That's the answer. If you don't like the same side angle, you can move this one up here because they are alternate interior. It's going to be equal number. This is also what same numbers. Now what is straight angle, right? Sum of these two angles must be 180, same things. All right, move on number over here. We did already. Okay, now I'm gonna finish geometry on coordinate plane. This is we said coordinate plane, or someone use Euclidean plane, but just what? Coordinate plane is better. Because when you choose one point, it has a coordinate location. This looks like your room. Find the middle point. Divide exactly right in the middle line. Coordinate means what? They're gonna give you some location using some numbers. We just defined that the middle point is 0 and 0. Over here, you have your toy. Where is the toy? To the right is 5 unit, up is 5 minute. There is a toy. So you can say, where is the toy? Okay, in the middle point, in the center, you have a center over here. All right, 5 and 5, there's the toy. Now understand. Move to the right, 5, to the up is 5, there's the toy is about 5 and 5. Always what? X is the first, Y is the second. Not Y is the first, X is the second. Always what? X is the first. I'm going to use a different value, okay? 5 by the same numbers. That's not a good idea. I'm going this one. Where is the toy? When X is 4 to the right, 4 unit. Up is about 5, 7, right? There is a toy. Toy is over here. It gives you out there. Its location. 4 is the first. Y is 7 is the second. This is we said there's order the pair. This is already what? Order the pair. This is order. There is order already. X is the first, Y is the second. This is we said order the pair. Coordinates should be in order the pair, not 7, 4, okay? If your toy is over here, maybe someone asking you, where is your toy in your room? Left 8 means negative 8 is a left. Negative 8 it means left. And up 4, this is negative 8 and 4. This is the location of your new toy. Actually, what is the coordinate point? The coordinate gives you what? The location, right? Yeah, that is the coordinate plane. All right, using this coordinate plane, we got the many ordered pairs over here. Okay, where is 7, 3? 7 means what? To the right. Negative is to the left. That's the meaning. Positive are over here. Negative 4, this is the value of Y. That is moved down, okay? Now we're gonna find the point over here. Have some practice. Now we have like 7 ordered pair there. First, where is the point A? Oh, X to the right, positive direction, 7 over here. And move up 3. This point, there is A. Okay. Agent there. Are you guys okay? Are you guys follow me?
Yeah.
Same thing, okay. All right, very good. Now where is the B? 2 and negative 8. Negative means what? To the left of the center, right? All right, no, negative 8 means to the down, right? This is the y coordinate. This is a positive to the right is a positive 2, going down, the next is going down up here. There is a b is up here. Negative 8 means what? Down up here. Okay? What about point C? Negative 5 to the left 5 over here from center, you said 0 and 0, right? To the left 5, down 4 again. This is down 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, down. This is the point C. This is the coordinate. We said what? Coordinate gives you a real location. Where are you? Now I'm gonna find out. David, where is David? Maybe someone asking you, where is David? This is a kind of a playground. On your school, playground in the middle. This is the middle. Where is David? David is negative 3 and 6. What that means? Left and up. Left is west. 6 is plus, there is north, west, north. That's the meaning. Negative 3, but it is what gives a more exact number, right? Negative 3 over here. Up over here, 6. This is what David is over here. Where is Edward? Edward is what? 8 and 0. To the right is 8. No up and down on this line. David is over here. No, Edward. Where is the Frank? F. Where is the Frank? Not to the horizontal move. From here, just go right north directly. It's over here. This is a 0. There is no move right to the right and left. Just 0, just move up to right vertical. Okay? So Frank is over here. Where is George? Negative 9, negative 9. To the left, 9, to the down, 9. Up here, right? Can you see that? To the left, 9, down, 9 up here. Here is George. We need this right, XY coordinate, right, to find the location. That's why we need a graph. Point is to find in coordinate. Where is one? Can you see that? Locate. Locate. We're gonna find where is it? Where are there? Right is what? Positive. Left is what? Negative. Up. Positive. Down. Negative. That's it. That's the rule. Don't change the rule, okay? All right, exercise 2. Now we have a coordinate. Now we got all location over here, but we're gonna give the numbers, more exact information, more exact location. B is up here. How much away from the right center? We're gonna know. All right, we need to know that. That's why we need to coordinate. We already bit to the right east 7. And that is to the right is 7. Up is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is being there. Where is David? To the right is 4. David is over here. To the right is 4. To the down is 2. There is David. We know that. Where is Angelo? To the left, negative 5. To the up, 8. Angelo is over here. Okay, anybody can try. Where is Edward? Give me the coordinate. Alina, can you give me the location of Edward?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me just.
Here.
-8.
Okay, -8, that's left. And?
-6.
-6, perfect. That's correct. -8 to the left. -6 is down to the south. Negative means what? Has some meaning, right? Negative means what? Left or down. That is the coordinate system. We set coordinate. Maybe sometimes in space, we need one more, X, Y, G, right? But only in high school, we use only 2 dimensions coordinate, X and Y, that's enough. Victoria, where is Frank? Can you give me the coordinate of this guy, Frank? Where is he? Victoria, can you try this for me?
-4, and then +4.
That's right, -4 and +4, right? You know that. Why we need this one? Maybe, you know, this is not the case. There's a war. Everybody, you know that. This is not good. But they have a coordinate over here. This is what? Earth. They make Earth over here. This line, vertical line. They made a lot. We're gonna write enemies are there. Oh, we're gonna write the crash. This enemy. So maybe the people give some information. Where is this guy? Okay. West 34, north 47. That's the coordinate. This is a coordinate. 34 west means what? Negative. 34 north is a positive. With this one, we can shoot what? Some bomb in there. Drop the bomb. Yeah, this is right on the rear. They use. That's why coordinate system is very important, right? Okay, now move on next one. All right. Ray AB defined the point is what? A, -6, -3, and 0 and 1. We have 2 points. Now we're gonna make the line of ray, not line, ray AB, okay? The starting point is A. A is the starting point, -6, -3. Where is the -6 over here? -3 down over here. This is starting point A, okay? Where is the direction? Pass through to another point, 0 and 1. Where is the 0 and 1? There's no to the right. 0 means we're in the middle. Just move up by 1 over this point, isn't it? So Ray, can you make the line? Pass, a little pass up, very close. This is the Ray. A, B, Ray 1, arrow sign there. It is okay. Maybe next time you're gonna learn, right, how to find the equation of this line. That's the next topics. Okay, does this contain, AB contain 9.8? We don't know. Okay, we are at 9.8, oh, approximately, oh, pass road over here. Maybe it's possible, but we have to prove this one algebraically. Okay, but how can you find this one without using algebraic, just using graph? I'm gonna show you this one more times. right big. Down over here. Okay. Now we're gonna find out something without using algebra, okay? This point is -6 and -3 over here. This point is 0, 1 over here. How much away this one from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you move over here 6, they're gonna move with about 4. Can you see that? When this point move to the right, move up 4, right? When you're starting this point, move to the right, 6, move up to 4, isn't it? Now divide it this one. Half. Half is what? 3. The other one is what? 4. Half is 2, isn't it? Over here. Okay. There's a pattern over here. When you move 3, 2 up, 3, 2 up. That's the way you can find the next point. This is we said pattern. This is we need a pattern. A little hard, but you can understand. I think you can figure out, okay? That's the pattern. So we're at this point. Try again. From here, always do up. Move to the right 3, move up 2, right? Move up 3, move 2, keep going. Move 3, move 2, move 3, move 2. 9 and 7, where is it? 9, this is 9, 7 is over here. Okay, move 3, 2, exactly. 9, 7 must be on this rate. We just proved using what? Their pattern. Are you guys with me? The line has pattern. The line has a pattern. What is this pattern? Which is what? Slope. You said this is a slope. Slope. Slope is what is there? 2 over 3. This will be slope. 2 over 3. Slope is what? Changing y over changing x. That's a slope. We're gonna learn. Don't worry about this one. Okay, we're gonna learn this one later. Just find out pattern. Pattern is what is that? Move 3, 2 up. Move 3, 2 up. Using what? Intersection. Okay. Move 1. How much of you don't know? That's not intersection. So move 3, 2 up. Pass through this one. Intersection grid line. Okay. Okay. Now we finish up to number A and B. Using pattern, we just figure out this point is still on this ray. Now take a look. Point C is located at -2 and 9. This is point A. Where is the -2 and 9? -2 over here, -9 over here. We have another ray over here. This is the line. They might have another pattern too. Okay. This point C or this line, we said ray, right? Okay, the next one is we're gonna find out using these two lines, two rays create one angle, right? We're gonna find this angle. What is this angle? You need to find the pattern again. This is what it is. Take out. This will move to the right how much from here to here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you move 4, that is 6. Now divide into 2. Move 2, maybe 3, right? Isn't it? Half this one. This also half. Move 3, it's gonna be 3. Move 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Move 2 is 3, right? Move 2, 1, 2, move 3, 1, 2, 3. This point, actually, I did it wrong, right? One to this point. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, this point. That's the correct one. So from this, what is the angle of these two between these two rays? Can you find the angle over here? I'm going to delete over here. How it looks like? How it looks like? It looks like 90 degrees, right? Okay, this one we're gonna do later, okay? How can you find the angle? But it looks like 90 degrees anyway. But this is okay. Okay, today just, okay, find out how we find the point on the graph. Okay, all right. Just from here, they are perpendicular, looks like a perpendicular, right? That's okay. No exercise 4, we have the lines A, B, C, D contains what? No, this time is the right. Okay, this time is a line over here. Can you see the 2 arrow sign? This one over here, line. Where is the A? -7 and -2. -7, this is -7 and negative. This point is A. Where is the point B? 3 and 8. 3 is what to the right, 8 is up 8. So this is 3 up to 8. That is the point B. Make a graph. Oops. Over. Okay, I'm gonna use the line over here, okay? Yeah, that's the line. Also, the other side also must have a right arrow, okay? That's the line. Now, graph another line CD. C is where it is -4 and 7. C is a -4 here, 7 is up here. This is what C. Where is D? To the right 2, down 5. This is what D. Now let's find line over here. Make this line in the first. Continue. Okay, that's the line. Yeah, these two lines intersect at point E. Yeah, they're the exact of a point E, right? Intersect. And what is it coordinate? Using the graph, but you need the right accurate graph, okay? Using the graph, point of intersection of this B is what is that? X is 2, -2, up is 3, right? So -2 and 3 is the intersection of this point. Okay, intersection of two lines. So you can say these two angles are vertical angles equals. The other side angles also vertical angles. They are equal. Okay, you can say that. Because why they are vertical angles already equal in measure, okay? Now these two lines A, B, and C, these are parallel? No, it looks not. Perpendicular? No, it looks not perpendicular, or neither on the graph. You can see there, right? That is not right angle. This is a right angle, but this is not a right angle. You can see that from the graph, okay? Okay, after a 10 minutes break, we're gonna have some more homework section over here, okay? So you have, maybe if you have a printer, just print out this page, and you need to plot all this 10 point on the graph paper, the given on your right hand side, okay? All right, so everybody come back here in 10 minutes. This time right now, 1:52, everybody come back over here. Come back here 2:05 p.m. Okay, all right. So you can have a snack or water, anything, okay? So I'm gonna this one, hold